800 milligrams already.
Yeah, that's 1600.
Your max, you're not supposed to take that much a day.
Yeah, it's really bad for you.
You're only supposed to take like 600 max a day.
I'm so sorry. Come right here. Arthur's just projecting this whole time.
No, but I actually did that during TwitchCon stuff because I had such bad neck pain. While I was cameraman, I was like, listen, hey, I can't be bitching. I can't be like, ooh, sorry, I can't be cameraman today. So I was just like this. Somebody said 2K is fine. But I only did it while I actually had like very severe pain.
There's a difference if you take it a few days or if you take it all the time.
No, it wasn't all the time, but there was like a period where I did like for 2 weeks because it was so bad.
Arthur, you're not dead, you're fine. You're fine now.
Thank you. How's the chicken doing, Julia?
It is boiling. Boiling.
Let's see here for a second. Wow, it is working.
Boiling with some water or some salt.
It is boiling.
Amazing.
Okay, call me crazy.
Can I ask, are we making the tortillas into
Oh, echo. Oops.
tacos? Are we making them into tostadas? What are we doing?
We just
sorry.
heat them up, right? Or something?
So Arthur, where does this cable go?
Where does this cable go?
The white one goes into the cabinet.
Donut wall.
Where? That is a very good question.
Hey, here's
Knut.
Yeah, because I
$5.
can't see it coming out anywhere.
Here's $5. You don't know Waldo, so
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
What happened?
Are we making the tortillas into tostadas, or are we just?
What is a tostata?
It's crunchy, like
Also, why does it sound so like weird? Tostatas.
tostada.
because it's a different language, Arthur. What does your recipe say?
My recipe says that we warm them up.
Oh, just that's it?
Toast titties.
Oh,
Okay, so just like soft tacos. Ise.
Yes.
How did I end up doing a cooking stream?
I don't know.
I'm trying to find.
Hey. If they can't see it for the most part, that's good. What's up with Knut? Knut is trying to understand the cable
Where
management.
does this cable go?
It goes somewhere.
Yes.
Flat tortilla. Do tostadas. So tostadas, I'll have to fry them.
Yeah.
But it's really what anybody prefers. Do you want a crunchy taco or do you want a soft taco, like we usually have for breakfast?
Okay, Chad, this is actually a very important question. It's like with like the milk or cereals first. Do you like your tostadas soft or hard?
I think a tostada is just hard, no?
Then tostada is just hot,
Oh,
hard.
do you like your tortillas?
Soft?
Tacos. Do you like your
Tortillas.
Yeah, tortillas or tacos,
Do
yeah.
you like them soft or hard?
I like it soft.
Just say soft or hard.
No. What do you guys like?
It depends on the day.
It depends on the day.
Knut is
I
just...
can't find the cable.
Knut, I will show you everything later on, don't worry. The cables are all hidden. The one thing I don't like about this, it's not that I don't like about it, but it's like, that makes it hard to like display everything. Knut is like a little bit out of frame all the time because of how
Gigantic.
this kitchen is. Yeah, I could like go out a little bit,
I'm just gonna...
but then there's even more space upwards.
Yeah.
You know, I guess it's fine, but it is kind of like,
You get small.
yeah, we get a little bit small.
No, but chat, it's impossible. Where can this cable be going to the computer? Is it wireless?
It is wireless.
Okay.
Knut just came here to eat his chicken.
His chicken?
Arthur, please cook. I'm actively cooking right now. As you can tell, I am cooking. I'm also cooking my
Thank you for more gifted chat.
chicken. And I'm also making sure that everyone's doing their job. And Knut in the meantime is eating his chicken and rice.
But it's important for me, Arthur, because I'm really trying now.
I'm also really trying.
So I need to be strict.
Is that what I have to do to become
Yes.
even in the slightest as big as you?
Yes. It's to be consistent on food. You don't need to overeat to like an insane amount, but you need to be consistent. You can't be like every other day. It's like, okay, we have just a little bit.
Ooh. Do you track your calories, or are you just like
I just know I make the same every day.
you make the same every day?
Yeah.